$535. Just think about that for a second. That is the actual real-world Google AdSense revenue generated by a single, simple, highly focused web tool that's basically just sitting there solving one specific problem. Welcome to this explainer. Today we are going to reverse engineer exactly how that's done.
We're diving into a really fascinating breakdown of how to build and monetize a fully functional AI-powered web tool. And honestly, the absolute best part of the source material we're unpacking today is that zero coding experience is required. Literally none. The technical barriers that used to stop us, they're completely gone. We're moving into this crazy new era where anyone with a clear idea can execute it, and I'm going to show you exactly how it all comes together.
Okay, so we'll be moving through 5 quick stages in this explainer. First up, the power of micro tools. Then, becoming a no-code AI developer. Third, setting up your foundation. Fourth, connecting the AI brain. And finally, the best part, launching and monetizing. All right, let's jump right into section 1, the power of micro tools. Basically, solving just one problem perfectly. The sheer volume of traffic a single-purpose tool can pull in is just staggering. Take a competitor site called Rapid Tags, which was analyzed in our source material. In April, they saw 800,000 visits. May, 850,000. June was 750,000. I mean, this isn't some massive media empire with thousands of articles. It is literally just a simple YouTube tag generator. It pulls in hundreds of thousands of monthly visits by doing exactly one thing exceptionally well. So the golden rule here is pretty simple. Find a specific real-world problem and build a dedicated micro tool to solve it. In the source material, the creator noticed a huge pain point. People uploading videos constantly struggle to find good SEO tags for YouTube. It's tedious, right? By answering that exact struggle directly and instantly, you create this immense, repeatable value that users are going to return to over and over again. Which brings us to section 2, the no-code AI developer. This is all about delegating the code to artificial intelligence. You really no longer need to be a programmer. You just need to be a clear communicator. The very first step is simply writing out what you want your tool to do in plain English. Just make a list. You outline requirements like, hey, I need to generate video tags based on a title, I need a click-to-copy button, make sure the output is comma-separated so it's easy to paste into YouTube, ensure the API integration is secure, and mandate that the whole thing is 100% mobile responsive. You are just defining the logic in the user experience. You're not writing a single line of syntax. The modern no-code workflow is kind of like a brilliant digital construction site. First, ChatGPT acts as the architect. It takes those basic, plain English requirements you just wrote and translates them into a highly detailed 100+ line developer prompt. It knows exactly what a coder needs to hear. Then, Claude AI steps in as the coder. Claude takes that massive, expertly crafted prompt and actually writes the secure PHP code to create a downloadable WordPress plugin. It's crazy. You are essentially using one AI to properly manage and instruct another AI. And there's this one absolutely brilliant detail from the source material that just blew my mind. When ChatGPT wrote that architectural prompt, it intelligently instructed Claude to enforce an output limit of exactly 480 characters. Now, why does that matter? Because YouTube's tag limit is a strict 500 characters. The AI actually knew the platform's constraints and built the tool to ensure the user never gets an annoying error message when they try to copy and paste. It's that level of automated foresight that makes this whole process so incredibly powerful. Moving right along to section 3, setting up your foundation. Basically, creating a home on the web for your application. So while Claude is off writing your plugin code in the background, you just have to build the digital house where your tool is going to live. And shrinking this process down is incredibly fast. First, you just grab a budget-friendly web hosting plan. Hostinger is the one used as the example in our source. Second, you claim a relevant domain name, something catchy, like rapidkeywords.com. Third, you just use the host's one-click installer to get WordPress up and running. Literally in a matter of minutes, your entire foundation is fully set.
All right, section 4. This is where the magic happens, connecting the AI brain, giving your tool the power to actually think.
Once your WordPress is all set up and you've uploaded that zip file that Claude generated for you, you've got to give the tool its brain. You do this through an Anthropic API key. Think of it like a highly secure digital bridge. It allows your website to fetch real-time, intelligent data directly from massive AI servers. So instead of just spitting out pre-programmed, static, boring answers, this API key fuels your tool to generate dynamic, totally fresh, contextual results for every single user query.
Now, you might be wondering about the cost of all this processing power. Well, the financial reality of running this kind of tool is pretty striking. $4.87. That is an actual billing amount shown in the source material for processing queries. So, while using an API isn't totally free, the providers charge only fractions of a single cent per query. To put that into perspective, making your tool highly intelligent absolutely does not have to break the bank. It keeps your operational costs incredibly low and makes the whole business model super sustainable.
Finally, Section 5, the end game, launching and monetizing, designing the front end and actually generating revenue. By just pasting a simple shortcode into a WordPress page, you instantly generate a clean, user-friendly interface. Let's say a user types in a basic input title, like how to make rava idli. The output instantly transforms that into highly relevant, copyable SEO tags, stuff like rava idli recipe, semolina idli, South Indian breakfast. The tool takes a real human struggle, connects to the AI brain, and just instantly solves it with absolute precision. So how do we make money from this? The ultimate monetization strategy translates directly into cash flow through a really clever layout. Using a page builder in WordPress, you just set up a simple 3-column layout. The center column takes up 50% of the screen width. That is where your AI tool lives, providing all the actual value to the user. But the left and right columns, each sitting at 25% width, those are entirely dedicated to profitable Google AdSense containers. It's like having billboards on a busy highway. As your tool solves problems and drives massive traffic, those side banners passively generate the exact kind of revenue we talked about right at the beginning of this explainer.
Well, we've reached the end of the explainer, and the biggest takeaway from all this source material is simply this: the technical barrier to entry has completely vanished. The code, the infrastructure, the intelligence, it can all be commanded without you ever writing a single line of syntax. The only variable left in the equation is your own imagination and your observation of the world around you. So I'm going to leave you with one final provocative question. What real-world problem will your AI tool solve?